This video is in response to a question I had on one of my courses yesterday, and somebody asked, how do you tell the number of working days between two dates? Now it's a while since I'd used this function, so I did go back and look it up. Even us trainers have to go and look stuff up sometimes, but the function we need, the network days function, will allow us to do this. So let's jump into Excel and see how it works. So here's my spreadsheet, and I've got a couple of people and a start and an end date, and I need to find the number of working days between those two dates. The first example kept fairly short, so we can just double check it. It's from the beginning of May to the last Friday in May. So let's give this a go. So we're going to click in D3 and let's put in the formula. So the formula is equals net work days. There it is. And just press your tab key once you've got it selected to bring the formula into the formula box, and then it gives us the tip. It's telling us what it needs. So the first bit it needs is the start date, so let's click on B2, and if I put a comma in, and it's now highlighted the end date, so I'm now going to click on C2. I'll come on to the holidays bit in a minute. For the moment I can just close that bracket, press enter, and that tells me there is 20 days, 20 working days between the 2nd of May and the 22nd of May. So let's just check that. So I've just called my calendar up, you can see it on the right hand side of my screen, and here we go. So the 2nd of May is there, 27th is there, and you can see there's 20 working days between the two. So I could copy that down if I was working that out for more than one person, which is great. So I've got a slightly longer time scale here. And the other thing I can do, let's just factor in a few holidays. So let's unhide this column so you can see. Okay, so imagine in addition to these days, Fred, our employee, had also taken a couple of days leave, so I need to take those leave off. So we're going to change this formula slightly. So let's put in a heading. I do love a heading. So number of working days, and without including holiday. Okay, so there we go. So we know what this column does. Okay, so the same function again. We're going to start with equals network days. Press tab key to get that function in, and we're going to do the same things we did before. Click on the first date, comma, click on this last date, comma, and then I can just go over to the days annual leave they've taken, highlight them. You can do them in one go, or you could separate them with commas, close the bracket and press enter. So there we go, there's 20 working days, and it's taken off the 2 days of annual leave, and I can copy that down. And for my other examples, they haven't taken any annual leave, so it should stay as it is. So I really hope that helps. If it does, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're always trying to put useful tips on there. If there's something you'd like to see, please tell me and I'll try and do a video about it. But this is a really useful function. Sometimes the old ones are the best. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.